Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna Simone. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, join the family. As y'all can see from the title, we going to New York. Really last minute trip. You ready? I'm gonna see y'all at the airport. Make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned. Is this the ride? Okay, y'all, so we made it to Syracuse. We are getting in the rental now. Like y'all saw, we teamed for it this weekend. We're about to go straight to Niagara Falls. It's like a whole adventurous little weekend. I really can't hear myself because my ears was popping. Dang. I'm gonna update y'all when we get to Niagara Falls. Okay, so we in the wrong car. They got the wrong keys to the wrong car. Syracuse 1, my family 0. Y'all, we really out here in Canada, so we currently are feeling. Why my light look like that? If you ever come to Canada, it's a lot of work to get over here. But I'm about to grab some pastries right now. It's currently 4:31. What in the world is this? You know what you ordered?
Chicago style.
Okay, so some fries. So me and my uncle decided to try out this. I don't even know what you call this spot. I got these chicken fries. They're actually good. So yeah, I'm about to get ready for dinner now. I need me a little snack. So I'm gonna show y'all. Look at the mom. The lighting is blue.
That's your camera.
Pretty, beautiful.
Thank you.
This is really crazy. Say hi, Jaylene. Hi. So we're sitting in the line now to get across the border. We don't know how long it's gonna take. Our reservations are at 7:15. It's 6:36 right now. So we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, so we just finished dinner at, what was the restaurant called? What was the restaurant called? I can't remember. Oh, this is so cute. Look, y'all. So we just finished dinner at Prime Steak House. I give it, what do you give it out of 10? 1 to 10, what do you rate it? 7. 7, okay, I give it a good 6. It was a 6. Yeah. But now we're walking to Niagara Falls, so I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. So a lot of people outside, so I'm gonna show y'all in a second, okay?
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the. Why am I acting like
Morning.
Mom.
What?
Today is Saturday morning. It is 10:59 in the morning, and we're about to go to the falls. We're gonna go on a boat today. Yeah, we're wearing them Hunter Rain boots because we bougie, and we about to go get wet. It should be a good time. I'm gonna see if I can vlog. I don't really know because I'm not gonna get my camera wet. But yeah, I hope y'all having a good day. Let's get into this day, and I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all, honestly. Okay, so we ready to go. I did this cute little thing with my braids. You like it?
It's adorable.
Sure. But yeah, so I put the braids around it. I think it's so cute, and I did my edges a little extra today, so it should be a good day.
Oh, look very good.
Like this video if we should go on a helicopter ride right now. Look at this, y'all. Helicopter ride is right there.
Right across the street from the hotel.
Literally, there's the hotel. But it's like it look a little sketchy. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Just me and the family.
You gonna take a picture of the Statue of Liberty? Or like,
Where's the Statue of Liberty?
look at her, she's so little.
I'm gonna show y'all the Statue of Liberty. This how you know you in another country. Okay,
We
look.
are not in another country.
It feel like it. Look at her.
Go look at
Look at her. Y'all know this is my crew because everybody in black. It wasn't a picture, but okay. Love the energy.
Mascot.
That is so crazy.
There.
Okay, everybody going to the Alright, y'all, so we made it on a boat. How's everyone feeling?
We're good.
We're good. It's so pretty, y'all, and the sun's coming up. So that's great.
He makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. from my love.
That was so wild. I couldn't even take y'all all the way in there. What you give it?
It was, I give it a 9 out of 10. It was great. It was great. We're soaking wet. But our Hunter rain boots held up, guys.
So if you come to,
I think it was a B.
okay. So if you come to Ontario, this is the Ontario side.
This is
We
where
hope you
Niagara
continue
Falls
to
was.
enjoy
No, that's
exploring the
Canada.
wonder
So what
of
side are we
Niagara
in?
Falls
Niagara Falls, New
and
York.
all
Okay,
its
so we in Niagara
surroundings.
Falls, New York.
Please visit
If
us
you
again
come up
here
here, make sure
on
you do
Maid
the Maid of the
Mist.
Mist ride.
Some sort of, what do they have in?
Okay, y'all, so we made it to Chateau Buffalo, which is a, what are you doing? Which is a winery. So we about to do some wine tasting. So I just threw on a little jean jacket, black little dress, and then I got just my McQueen's on. But yeah, it's the spot. Oh, it's cute in here. Super cute. Oh, I need some pictures in here.
This is really nice.
Hi, how are you? Wait, what'd you say?
She's
I'm vlogging. Can you
recording.
tell that to my vlog?
Oh no.
You're like, no, I'm playing. Go ahead, go ahead.
We gotta pick our wines.
I think I like sweet wine.
And everybody can get different ones, right?
Wine, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, because I don't like sweet.
I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna post a photo down.
we do have brie, yeah.
Yep, I had the brie,
We like brie. We
coming
said
along.
brie to her. And then all the way down. Okay. Oh, sorry.
He doesn't love me, so I tell myself.
Alright, y'all, so we just finished eating, I'm lying, we just finished drinking wine at this like urban winery out here. Right now, I'm waiting for my family. They're taking pictures at these murals over there. Do y'all see them? It's quite a few of them over there. But I'm sitting in the car because I'm tired. It's hot. The car is off, so I'm really hot. But I'm basically waiting for them to finish up. Then we're about to get some food, and then I don't know what we're doing later on. But it's been a good day. I'm having a good time. I took some pictures for the gram, as y'all saw. I'm gonna do like a photo dump. I feel like Instagram is finally getting to the point where like photo dumps and it really is like a photo book type thing now. And I think that's so cute. So I'm trying to like kind of change up my Instagram and make it more aesthetically pleasing. That's what I would call it, aesthetically pleasing. So my bun looks so cute though. Like, it's definitely giving. Y'all see? I took forever to do it today too. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when we go eat and what we eat and all that. But I hope y'all enjoying this vlog so far. If you are this far into this vlog and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that real quick. Join the family, and let's just get back into the end of this vlog, because baby, New York been a vibe. New York, Canada, it's been a vibe. It's definitely been a vibe. I hope y'all enjoyed it so far. Girl, I was there and you were my favorite. Literally, we're everywhere. Yeah, what did I tell you about the sun? Like, it's pretty. Okay, so we're eating Parmesan. What kind of bread is this? Spinach. Spinach. Spinach bread. Spinach bread.
Pizza without tomato sauce.
What are you doing?
And then how are we doing on drinks? Would we like some refills?
Good morning, y'all. So today we are at my aunt's graduation. Everyone's a little stressed, but just a little. But we're about to walk up to the ceremony now and get seated. We're on Syracuse University campus. I've never been over here, but it's nice. It's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna show you my outfit in a little bit, but actually I'm gonna show you now. Some green pants, little top, leather jacket. It's actually cold, so let me come on because we rushing. Yeah, so me and my mom are currently people watching. Everyone looks a mess, but
They don't look a mess.
well, let me show y'all. It's not too many people out here right now. Most of it. We're really watching like families, aunts, uncles, cousins, brothers-in-laws. As we wait for my uncle to get together. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get into the stadium.
myself.
You're different.